type of protein supplements and which one is the best for you. I'm gonna give you 4 of them and I will suggest one of them for you, okay? Let's start out with the whey protein. The whey protein is the most famous type of protein out there. You're probably seeing it in your grocery store, in the pharmacy, in your local supplement store. This type of protein is derived from lactose, okay? So from milk and cheese. It's the cheapest type of protein out there, okay? But it's very pro-inflammation, which is not really a good thing, okay? When we're working out, we're going through a stressful situation where we're inflamming the body through the exercise. When we go back into this nutrition phase, right? When we leave the gym and we're starting the nutrition to repair that muscle, we want to avoid that inflammation. We want to reduce that inflammation. So this is actually contradictory when it comes to the goal that we're trying to achieve, okay? As well, besides that, the whey protein spikes the insulin very much, just like bread. So if you think about it, okay, it's not that it's really a bad thing, because after a workout we really need that insulin spike in order to transport all the nutrients into the tissue, into the muscle, right? But we don't want it to be to that extent. We don't want it to be like for every single time that we're consuming a whey protein shake, because after a workout it's not the only time that we're going to be consuming whey protein. I mean protein supplements, okay? We're going to be consuming protein supplements during the day. It could be even as a snack, because we need to reach that protein amount of the day in order to continue to see progress in the gym, right? So we don't want it to be that much of a spike of insulin, because it will otherwise be stored as adipose tissue, which is essentially fat tissue, okay? So I don't really recommend whey protein. The second type of protein is the casein protein. Casein protein is very famous because it's really slow digestion, okay? So what I mean by this is that usually athletes or lifters use casein protein right before they go to bed, okay? So it's it's going to sit in your stomach between 6 to 8 hours. The problem with this is that it sits in your stomach or in your intestines like very heavily. You're gonna notice that you don't want to do anything. It's like you just feel like sitting down, because it sits very heavily. It's very acidic, okay? It creates like some sort of a jelly substance, like a thick substance in your system, and you don't really want that, okay? And it also contains a bioactive opioid. You can actually look this up on the internet. I think it's called the BCM7, which is essentially that. It's going to make you more addicted to lactose derivatives such as milk and cheese, which is not really good because they're very high on fat, and it's going to make you more prone into adding adipose tissue. You don't want that, okay? You want to be as lean as possible in order to be as healthy as possible and perform as better as possible. The third type is the collagen protein. Collagen protein, it can't be your primary source of protein, but it can aid your primary source of protein supplements. What do I mean by this? Collagen protein is going to manufacture collagen type 1 and collagen type 2, which is essentially a type of protein that would help the primary protein in order to repair the muscle, but it's not going to repair the muscle by itself, okay? So it's something that you add on to it. The fourth type of protein is the one that I recommend, which is called the isolate protein. Isolate protein is a type of protein in which it has removed all the excess stuff that the whey protein and the casein protein has that are actually negative for you. So it's not this pro-inflammation type of protein, okay? It's just the protein itself. So it's going to be a little bit more expensive than the other ones, but it's going to be greatly beneficial for you, okay? So if you combine the isolate protein with the collagen protein, you have the complete package to repair that muscle, to eliminate the soreness, to have this recovery phase a bit quicker, so you can go back into the gym and hit it harder, okay? So those are the 4 types of protein that I'm recommending, that I'm giving you on this video, and the ones that I actually recommend: whey protein, casein protein, collagen protein, and isolate protein, okay? In the description down below, there's a link for a Telegram group that you can actually join for free and ask me any question that you like, okay? Completely free. You can direct message me, or you can send it through the group, okay? Completely free. Remember to follow me on social media, and to like, comment, share, subscribe, okay? And I will see you on the next video.